Hey folks, Shawn Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, we're going to answer the question, should I buy an annuity in a high interest rate environment? And should I replace my old annuity with a new annuity now that we're in a high interest rate environment? And the answer is, yeah, you should. You really should be stress testing your annuity. If you haven't annuitized it, even if you're taking a lifetime income through a guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefit, you should stress test your income. The reason being is when you if you've bought that annuity from 2000 to 2019, you are at a lower interest rate environment, so lower payout percentages. If you were to roll that over to a new annuity now, there is a high likelihood that your annuity income would be higher. And then you would lock it in a high interest rate environment. So I'll give you an example of what I'm talking about. We have a couple out in Minnesota. They had a Prudential variable annuity that was purchased in 2015. They deferred it for 10 years, didn't stop the income. It was a small annuity, $80,000 annuity, and they were contractually guaranteed $5,255. We stress tested over here at the Annuity Expert, and we found out that if they rolled over that Prudential annuity over to a new annuity and started the income immediately, because now is around the time they wanted to start their income, that $5,255 had increased to $7,555. So about a $2,000 a year increase just for rolling it over into a higher interest rate environment. So if you have an older annuity and you're looking for lifetime income, you should really stress test it. You could end up getting a higher payout even though you've been in that annuity contract for a long period of time. And so that leads me to our website, the Annuity Expert. You could go to go to your favorite search engine, Google, Bing, Yahoo, type in the Annuity Expert, go to our calculators, retirement-based calculators, annuity calculator, go down here, put in your information. Hey, I'm 65 years old and I'm in Georgia and I've got $500,000. You want to do it immediately if you're looking to start income now. And then what's going to happen is you're going to get in real time, and we don't publish the insurance companies because the insurance companies do not like us to do that. But we will give you the actual figures. So if you look here, $45,000 over a 10-year period, $450,000, $1 million. If you happen to see something where it doesn't match up, 10x doesn't equal this, that's because this is what's called an advanced payout. There's a niche type of guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefit that will pay you a higher income for the first 10 years, and then it'll reduce by 50% in years 11 onward. So that looks a little confusing. That's why. But yeah, I hope that answered your question. If you have any questions, come talk to us, 770-755-1565. We'll answer it. We'll give you a stress test on your annuity income, and leave a comment. We'll respond there too as well. Once again, 770-755-1565. Talk to you then.